Hey, what's going on guys? It's 7 here and welcome back to another video. Today's video we're gonna be doing a creative series. So this is a new series, so we're gonna build stuff but using creative and in a flat world. So yeah, let's just get started to it. So I'm gonna be using mods. Sorry for that spelling. Sorry for the stuff in the background. Yeah. So sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna make it my house using colored oak. So I guess this is gonna be nice. I don't know, to be honest with you. Okay, that's wrong. The entrance, and I just need to use a magic wand. Builder's one indeed. Sorry for that thing. Now. Okay. Sorry about that. And I'm gonna use colored glass. Colored. Stained glass, right? Stained glass. I'm just gonna use one. So this will be like the window. So yeah. This is inspired by MG. It's Firefox, minded series. So I'm filling like her house, but using different kind of, color wood. So yeah, entrance. Dun, dun. Oops. Just messed up. Great. So this will be a series for, I guess, each day. So get, you need to watch this to know the update of this stuff. My house. I will say my house. So yeah. Sorry for this long wait of mining stuff. But yeah, I just need to mine stuff. Like breaking wood because I misplaced it. So yeah. Boom. Will be the main. Oops. Just gonna put that. Oh, fudge this. Gosh. I need to use another one. Yeah. Okay. Sorry for that. Builder's one. Okay. It's actually no difference with the golden one, but this is less OP. Like you can just place blocks, but not that much blocks. I know that's wrong English, but yeah. Stop it! OMG, it's Firefox. I know this is a bit small for a house. Really, yeah. Because I'm gonna extend it here. you're enjoying this building creative series, click like. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I will, do daily content. So, yeah, it will be fun. And if you guys, want me to do some Twitch streaming, that will, be cool. And if you want to do, the streams, just leave a comment down below in the comment section that you want to see me stream. So, yeah, you can do some streaming if you guys want to watch it. So, sorry for that, but it's my mom. Go. Okay, it looks weird, but who cares? I know you guys care, but for the small amount of time, yeah, it's okay. That's, I guess, the basic of the, for the thing. See? Okay. Yes, I need to make it. I guess it's enough. But I need to put some more windows. Go. Go. Boom, 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 boom. And there you go, guys. That's, I guess, the basic of my build. So, I'm just gonna do the roof. Oh. So, that's, I guess, the main thing. I'm just gonna use a carpenter's block mod. Go. Place door. And I should make it what colorful. And that's camouflage. So, I need to find a good block. Sorry for that chicken. I guess the light blue will be good. And that looks bad. Actually, no. Let's make it purple. Cyan. Just do cyan. So very cool. Okay. Okay. Cyan. Okay, same more. And there you go. That's the top of the building itself. So for today, we're only gonna be doing the basic. So thank you guys for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, click like, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe. And the other episode is gonna be tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye bye. Wait. Sorry, but